set Starks. They are going to bring pressure again. Rodgers is going to roll away, throws it up in the air, says a prayer, and Janis does he
stop it!
Oh, please!
What a catch!
That's insane!
Oh my, that may be one of the great throws ever made. Moving to his left, falling away and launching a perfect throw.
That's insane. Now go back. Of course, we have to watch this again. Did he have control? They look at it. It's a scoring play. Is it a catch? Ball is bouncing around on his chest.
Oh.
Ooh. That was Peterson behind him. Johnson comes in. Johnson got his hand on the ball.
And then once he was in the end zone, then there was a late punch out there. I think he had control for a moment.
With 2 seconds to play. Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air, caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
What a mistake by the Ravens. You swat the ball down. You don't pop it up.
So 4 receivers with David in the shotgun. Missing time. David shuffles his feet, turns and launches this one in the direction of Mike Sims Walker. And this one's going to be batted and caught. Touchdown! Oh my gosh! How did that happen? It was batted back into the arms of Mike Thomas, and the Jaguars have won it! Holy cow!
How did that happen?
That's unbelievable! Mike Sims Walker batted it back! Oh! Hail Mary!
Denver rushes 3. Flacco steps up, throws deep, far sideline. Jacoby Jones has it at the 20. Jacoby Jones, touchdown, Ravens, and the miracle is answered. I told you don't give up. I told you it wasn't over.
You said it.
End zone or a quick out route to try to get in field goal range. Looks like they're going to go deep. Dalton to the end zone, down the field, and it is deflected and caught! Touchdown! A.J. Green!
All of that stuff. What a play. Look at this bundle of guys, and A.J. Green just staying alive. Once that ball's tipped, those guys can pull him down, grab him, keep him away. 3 Browns.
And they're trying to. Can Rodgers throw it?
But can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers. Total disbelief at Ford Field. The Packers saved by the face mask call, given one last chance. And Aaron Rodgers heaves it as far as he can.
Third down, 12 seconds to go in the game. Niners lead by 4. Barr back to pass, pumps to the left, 8 seconds left. He gets away from the pressure, fires to the end zone. It's caught! It's Greg Lewis! Touchdown! Oh my heavens! Greg Lewis! Welcome to Minnesota! Oh my heavens! Greg Lewis's first catch has given the Minnesota Vikings an improbable victory! You've got to be kidding me! I've seen a lot of football. This is as good as it gets.